Hey parents, hey boys and girls. I just want to take a few minutes to make a video showing you how to do lesson 8 from last week in math. So I've already put the steps on the board over here, and you should see this in your child's binder tonight so they can use for their practice homework. So I've already got the steps labeled for them. I've already got my HTO chart drawn out, and I have the math problem that we're going to work with right now. For this video, I'm doing a two-digit problem. So we're just using our tens and our ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first step says to draw both numbers. So what that means is you're using your base 10 blocks to draw them. Okay, so our first number on top is 57. So I'm going to draw 5 tens and 7 ones. Underneath that, I'm going to draw the second number. The second number is 39, and I want to keep it separate from the first number. So there's my 3 tens, and here are my 9 ones. Okay? That's step 1. Step 2, look at the ones place. Can you circle 10 ones? Okay, well, let's count out, see if we can count out to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, I can circle 10 ones. So go to your notes over here on the side. Since I said yes, it tells me to circle 10 ones and draw a new 10. What I'm doing is I'm taking those 10 single ones and we'll make a whole 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to circle those 10 ones, just like that, okay? And you're going to make a new 10, okay? Step 3 says to look at the tens place. Can you circle 10 tens? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So no, we cannot circle 10 tens. So since we said no, go to the hundreds place. Well, for this problem, we don't have a hundreds place, so we're done. In order to add and find your answer, all you have to do is count what you have not circled. So let's start in our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ones. Count your tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer to this problem is 96. I also want them to show it over here on the problem that's written up and down vertically. So remember, guys, you always start in the back in the ones place. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. I want to show you a little trick here that I've showed my kids in the past. I'm writing the 16 out to the side because sometimes kids get confused on which number goes on the bottom and which one gets carried to the top. So then all you have to do is to know that the 6 is going to come here and the 1 is going to get carried next door because it's a 10. Okay? And then we just have to add our 10 side. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 96. You always want to make sure that this problem and your drawing has the same answer. Okay? All right, I hope this video helped you. I'm going to pause this video and then we'll show you a new video where we are going to have a hundreds place. Okay? Okay, I'm back for the second part. Okay, I've given us a 3-digit number and I'm adding a 2-digit number to it. So as you can see, I've added the hundreds column to our HTO chart. Our steps over here have not changed. They are still the same. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, step 1, draw both numbers. Okay, starting with the number on the top, my number is 164. So I need to draw a 100 block, 6 tens, and it's okay if you don't have room and you need to go down to the next row. That's okay. I'd rather you do that than get it all cramped in there and where it's hard to see. Okay, the second number is 53. Remember, we want to put that underneath our first drawing. We want to keep the two numbers separated. It's a lot easier that way. So I'm going to draw 5 10s and 3 1s. All right, so there's step number 1. Number 2, step 2, look at the ones place. Can you circle 10 ones? Okay, well, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we cannot circle 10 ones. So go back over to your steps. And since we said no, we move next door to the tens place. So we don't have to do anything there. We're going to leave it alone. Okay, so we're over here in the tens place. So let's look at what we've got to do. Look at the tens place. Can you circle 10 tens? Well, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we can circle 10 tens. So let's go refer to our steps and see what we've got to do. Since we've answered yes, it says to circle 10 tens and make a new 100. We know it makes 100 because when we count by 10 10 times, we get 100. So let's circle those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle all those. I'm going to draw my arrow and I'm going to make my new 100. Okay? Now we're ready for the bottom where we're going to add, where we're solving the problem. Just count what you have not circled. Okay, so let's begin. Let's look at our ones place, because remember we always start in the ones place. We have 4 on top and 3 on the bottom, so we know 4 plus 3 is 7. Inside our tens, we only have 1 outside of the circle. And for our hundreds, we have 2 hundreds. So there's our answer, 217. Okay, so let's go over to the problem that's vertically. Let's do that one. Remember, you're always starting in the ones place, in the back. Okay, so we have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. If you look at the rest of the problem, we have 16 plus 5. So catch your 16, count up 5 numbers, and you're going to get 21. And so all you have to do is write 21 right here. 217, 217. Again, I hope this video has helped. This video will help with lesson 8 and 9 that we are reviewing today and tomorrow from last week. It's very important that you practice this at home and you're practicing on your paper that I send home with you. Please message me if you have any more questions. I'll be glad to help you. Bye.